Today we're going to discuss the side effects of over crocheting or knitting, what to do instead of crocheting or knitting to fill your time, and what to do if your hands are already sore from crocheting or knitting. Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you are new to this channel, please consider liking this video, commenting, and subscribing. If you want to see specific content or tutorials, please let me know down in the comments below. Let's get into the video. Let's start by going over the side effects over crocheting does to your body. Over crocheting or knitting can cause a number of side effects and injuries to your hands, wrists, and arms. Not only that, but also to your eyes. The most common side effects are repetitive strain injury, carpal tunnel, and tendinitis. Also, it can cause you to have poor eyesight, and in bad cases, you may even need glasses. Now here are some ways to prevent your hands and wrists from getting injured. If your hands start feeling numb, aching, or in pain, make sure you take a break and stretch your hands and allow them to relax before continuing. I recommend taking 2 breaks an hour. The break should be about 10 minutes long, allowing your hands to get a proper break. Crocheting and knitting is still good for you in moderation. It is known to promote good health, reduce anxiety and stress, and is said to lower blood pressure. It also stimulates the brain by activating both the logical and creative parts of the mind. And if your hands are sore, here are some other activities you can do instead, like winding up your balls of yarn. You can frog old crochet projects you aren't working on anymore or lost interest in. And after you frog your projects, you can wind them up and make scrap balls of yarn. You can organize your crochet notions like knitting needles and crochet hooks. You could also organize and declutter your yarn stashes and pattern books. You could also sit down and plan out your next crochet projects for the month or year. You could also try picking up a new hobby like watercolor. I have a tutorial on my channel for a beginner painting that you should try. I'll link that down below and put it in the cards above. You could also try colored pencil art, sketching, or drawing. Or try some sewing projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.